Welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture, we will solve more problems related to formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. The problem is find the PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b from z is equal to ax plus by plus a square. Okay, differentiate this equation with respect to x, then we get p equal to a. Next, we differentiate this equation with respect to y, then we get q equal to b. Substituting a and b in this equation, we get the required PDE. So the corresponding PDE become z is equal to px plus qy plus p square. Yes, this is the answer. Find the PDE of the family of spheres of radius 1 whose center lie in the xy plane. What is the representation of this family? This is nothing x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equal to 1, where a and b are arbitrary constants. Okay, so we have to find the PDE corresponding to this family. So first we differentiate this equation with respect to x. Then what happened? 2 into x minus a plus this becomes 0 and this become 2z into derivative of z with respect to x using chain rule, because z is a function of x and y. Okay, so derivative of z square with respect to x is 2z into derivative of z with respect to x equal to 0. So this become 2 is common, take outside, so 2 times 2 into x minus a plus z into p equal to 0. P is nothing, dz by dx. So this implies x minus a plus zp equal to 0. This implies x minus a equal to minus zp. Next, we are going to differentiate this equation with respect to y. Then what happened? 0 plus 2 into y minus b plus the derivative of z square with respect to y. This become 2z into dz by dy. dz by dy is our q. Okay. Then 2 is common, take outside and cancel. Then we get. Okay. So now x minus a become minus zp and y minus p become minus zq. Substituting these two values in this equation, then our family become and this implies p square z square plus here z square is common, take outside, so this become, so this is the required PDE. Next problem, find the PDE of all planes which are at a constant distance d from the origin. The equation of the plane in normal form is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to d, where L, M, N are direction cosines and d is the distance. So Lmn satisfies this condition, L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. And this equation implies N is equal to square root of 1 minus L square minus M square. So 1 become, we substitute n equal to this quantity in 1, then 1 become Lx plus My plus square root of 1 minus L square minus M square into Z equal to d. Okay. Next we differentiate 2 with respect to x. Then we get L plus square root of 1 minus L square minus M square times p, derivative of Z with respect to x is p, equal to 0. Which implies L is equal to minus square root of 1 minus L square minus M square into p. This is equation number 3. Next we differentiate equation number 2 with respect to y. Then we get m plus square root of 1 minus L square minus M square into q equal to 0. which implies m is equal to minus square root of 1 minus L square minus m square into q. This is equation number 4. Next we consider 3 square plus 4 square. We square these two equations and then take the sum. So LHS becomes L square plus m square and RHS is 1 minus L square minus m square into p square plus q square. So L square plus m square is equal to 1 minus L square minus m square into p square plus q square. So this is equal to 1 minus L square plus m square, this minus is common, into p square plus q square. Next we expand this bracket, that is 1 into this one and this L square plus m square into p square plus q square. So this become 1 into p square plus q square is p square plus q square minus L square plus m square into p square plus q square. Then we take this term to LHS. So left hand side become L square plus m square plus L square plus m square into p square plus q square equal to p square plus q square. Here L square plus m square is common, so take outside. So this become L square plus m square into 1 plus p square plus q square equal to p square plus q square. So L square plus m square is equal to p square plus q square divided by 1 plus p square plus q square. Okay. We have to find L and M. So L is equal to square root of 1 minus L square minus m square. Already we have L square plus m square. So next we consider this is equal to, then by taking LCM we get, substituting this quantity in L and M, we get L and M in terms of P and Q. Okay. So this implies L is equal to and M is equal to and N become substituting this L, M, N in this family Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D, then we get the required PD. Okay. So our family Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D become this implies so this is the required PD. So the answer is Z is equal to Px plus Qy plus D times square root of 1 plus P square plus Q square. Okay. Next problem. Find the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary constants a, b and c from x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. This family involves 3 arbitrary constants. First you differentiate this equation with respect to x. Then we get here 2 is common, so this implies. Next we differentiate this equation with respect to y. Then we get here also 2 is common, so this becomes. Okay, so this is our first equation. So this is our first equation. This is our second equation. Next we differentiate 1 with respect to x. Then what happened? Here p and z both are function of x. Okay, so we used product rule. So first function is p into derivative of z with respect to x, that is again p, plus derivative of p with respect to x. P means dz by dx, so its second derivative, that is d square z by dx square, that is our r. So this is our equation number 3. So we have to eliminate the arbitrary constants a, b, c using this 1, 2 and 3. 1 implies x by a square is equal to minus pz by c square. So we multiply equation number 3 by x. So what happened? So this become this x by a square is minus pz by c square. So this equation become now c square is common, take outside and cross multiply, then we get yes. So this is the PDE corresponding to this family. You can also solve this problem in another way. Instead of differentiating 1, you differentiate 2 with respect to y. Then we get, then multiply this equation with y. Then y by b square plus y by c square into something equal to 0. But y by b square is minus qz by c square. Then substitute that minus qz by c square here and cancel c square. We get another representation of this family. That is a classwork. These are the two representations of this family. So in general, a family of surfaces may have many PDE representations. This is your homework. In next lecture, we will form partial differential equations by eliminating arbitrary functions. Okay, thank you.